Today we'll show you how to register payments on a bill. There are two ways to do this. The first method was already shown in the bill workflow tutorial. Click the card above if you haven't watched it yet. The second method is through the Register Payments page inside the Bill section in the main menu. Here I have a bill that was already created. Below you can see the items added to this bill. As you can see, we have 6 slabs of Armani Black. If you go to the Cost tab, you'll also find the integrated costs and extra costs that have already been added. Now, to register the payment on this bill, you can go to the Payments tab next to Costs and add the payment here, but you can also do it by going to the main menu, clicking Bill, and selecting Register Payments. Here, you'll need to use the filter to select the supplier. The system will automatically retrieve all pending payments for that supplier. Select the bill you want to make the payment for. Next, choose who the payment will be deposited to in the Deposit to field. Select the payment method, then enter a reference number. Here you can see the Paid Value field. If this is a partial payment, type in the amount being paid instead of the full balance, and then click Save. After saving, the Payments tab will display the record of the payment made, including the payment date, the bill amount, the paid value, the supplier name, the bill number, and the reference number. If you'd like to export this information to Excel, select the desired records and click Export to Excel. This will generate a spreadsheet with all payment records, which you can use for your own financial tracking and reporting. You can also click Generate PDF to create a payment receipt and send it to your supplier as proof of payment. When you need to register the remaining payment for this bill, you can either enter the value manually or simply click Save to register the full amount. Now, let's search for pending payments from another supplier. Here I have a supplier with 2 bills that still have open payments. I'll select both, fill in the required information, and register the full payment for both. Next, I'll select them again and export the records to Excel. The same information we entered appears in this spreadsheet. I'll also generate a PDF to send to the supplier. Now, going back to the list of bills in the main menu, I'll select Bill 16 where we previously registered the payments. Go to the Payments tab. Here I'll quickly show you how to register a payment from this section as well. Now I'll register the payment for an extra cost, in this case, ocean freight. I'll fill in all the required information, including the payment date and the paid value, then click Save. Done. Here it is. If you go to the Cost tab, you'll see the 2 extra costs from the same supplier. You can also register an extra cost payment through the Register Payments page. Since extra costs may belong to a different supplier, you'll need to select the corresponding supplier to view them. Select the payments you want to process, enter all the required information, and then click Save. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit SlabWare.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks.